Hello YouTube. First let me say my hair is going through a process right now. It looks really like, I don't know if it looks orange on the video or not, but I'm going blonde again, so I'm doing it in stages instead of totally stripping my hair like I usually do and totally damaging it and killing it, and I'm using totally the wrong way. Yeah, so I'm going through like a process right now. So don't mind the hair, okay? Don't mind the fact that my hair looks funky right now. I'm about to do another process right now too, so it looks really bad. My little brother-in-law's all, Nana, is your hair orange? And I'm like, yeah. But it's orange because I had red in my hair before I started bleaching it. So it's going to have like orange tones until I can pull it all out. Anyways, blah, blah, blah. So I have another little haul for you guys. Just more earrings and bracelets, jewelry. I need to stop buying so much jewelry, seriously. So I'll start with this little cute brooch little thing. Put it on your little, it's a little cute brooch. I thought it was super cute. Isn't it cute? I think it's cute. So yeah. There's that, and I love these earrings. Aren't they so cute? I love them. I'll probably wear these tomorrow, maybe, or the other ones. We'll see. Or these. I like these a lot too. Here's these. They have like little balls on them. That didn't sound right. Little, whatever. Yeah, shiny balls, I guess. So, and they're loops, and they are clip-ons in the back. So there's no backing, it's just a loop. Oops, sorry. It's like a loop, and then you just clip it on. And then I have these awesome loop earrings to match my heels, and they are zebra print, and they are actually like little fur. It's not a sticker. It's actual real little, not real fur, but it's like little synthetic furs or whatever. And then I got this bangle, and it's like a cheetah print with purple patterns on it, and black, and like a smidge of gray or whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to do that haul real fast. I actually have a lot more stuff, but that's actually for the prizes and stuff for my giveaway that I have going on right now. So if you don't know about the giveaway, go ahead and go check it out. And I will actually be doing the video for the giveaways tomorrow. So is that right? The video for the giveaway prizes tomorrow. So yeah. That's about it. I just wanted to share that with you guys and hope you guys are all doing well. And yeah, until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye.